Backyard designed and installed in Massapequa, New York. We installed a 16 by 32 vinyl lined pool with concrete walls. We installed an auto cover. The patio and the pool coping consists of the G43 marble pavers select from the Gappsi Natural Stone Collection. The remaining area in the backyard, we installed synthetic turf. We filled in the space between the fence and the patio, also with turf, and we built sediment stairs in the shallow end of the pool. The pool depth is 43 inches in the shallow area to 5 feet in the deep end. On the side of the house, we filled in this area with synthetic turf, and we also installed a putting green with 2 holes. This is the latest backyard installation by Gappsi in Massapequa, New York.